Hello. So, as part of the NETD2202 for week number 4, we do have an in-class exercise this week. I'm going to extend the deadline and I'll post that on DC Connect for you guys. But here is the assignment. Essentially, I'm giving you this project. I've already created the form for you. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure you do AODA for the form. So step 1, AODA. Step 2, go into the code. And I've got a bunch of these to-do statements in here, and you're to follow the to-do statement. So use the task manager. All the to-dos are here. Basically follow the instructions. That is the ICE. So let me get you started a little bit here, and then you can continue and go from there. So obviously add a comment header. Okay. I want you to add regions and organize your code using the regions. All right. I've set up 2 global variables for you already. If you've watched the longer video that I provided earlier in the week, then you will see how this works. You're going to basically follow these to-do statements. So for instance, I've added a array initialization here for the weekday labels. You're going to have to do the same thing for the text boxes right here. Okay. You have to create a set defaults function, or a method in this case, and create it and make it work. Set day names has already been created for you. So if I run this program, you'll see that it populates these dates. But if I change this, well, that's no longer a Friday. So the starting date doesn't impact these names. These names should change based on me changing the starting date, etc., etc. So that's where this comes in. Add an event to the date picker such that when the date changes, those labels get updated. I've already created the method for you that changes the names for you, but you just need to make sure you know where to call it and when to do it. As part of the modular concept for this week, creating separate modules and those kind of things. Quite a few of the things you're going to have to do through here. You're going to have to figure out how to do the looping and that kind of stuff. If you hard code it, I'll give you some marks, but I can't give you full marks because the whole concept this week is modularity and figuring out how to do things programmatically. Okay, so that's this week's ICE. So I'll post this project as it is, and you guys can get started.